Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to charge Dodge Challenger battery. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn off accessories before connecting a charger. Identify the battery location and inspect terminals for corrosion, then clean with a brush if needed. Choose a compatible charger and set the correct charging mode, connect clamps positive then negative, and always monitor charge progress until the battery reaches full charge. In this video, I will show how to charge Dodge Challenger battery. Choose a charger mode that matches battery size and condition, favoring slow charge to preserve life. Confirm the charger is set to the correct voltage and amp level, then attach the positive clamp to the battery positive terminal and the negative clamp to a grounded metal point if required by the charger. Avoid sparks and monitor the charger indicator lights. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make cleanup effortless while you work on the car. It even finds dust under seats and reaches tight spots, which is perfect after a garage session. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to charge Dodge Challenger battery. After charging, let the battery rest and then measure voltage to confirm a full charge. Maintain clean terminals, tighten connections, and apply a light coat of dielectric grease to slow corrosion. If the battery repeatedly fails to hold charge, have it load tested or replaced to avoid roadside failures and ensure your Challenger starts reliably every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.